What is up, YouTube? Thrift School over here. We are outside the thrift store right now. We're going to head inside, see what we can find to buy and sell on eBay and Amazon. Let's do it. I mentioned a video or two ago how my windshield was cracked and I had dropped it off at Safelight. Well, I picked it up, new windshield, within 10 minutes of leaving. Can you guys see it? Think you can kind of see it? Maybe, maybe not. There we go, right there. A pebble jumped up and cracked the windshield again within 10 minutes of leaving Safelight. So I'm gonna have to go get that patched. But hey, we're at the thrift store, let's do it. So I'm looking at the toys over here and I noticed there's only one shelf of toys down the aisle anymore. There's not one over there and there's not one right here. So I don't know what happened, but they've limited the toys to just this one shelf here and this back wall over here. Now, I was able to grab all of this off of this back wall, but there's a lot of people looking since it's all kind of consolidated in one spot, but it was busy. So this is what we have on that first wall. I'll go through all this in a minute. But for now, I want to pop down here, see what we can find. I always have really, really good luck with these game box games right here, and I've never seen a Marvel edition. So if I had to guess, it's going to be worth some money. Let me grab my phone and let's look this up together. If I had to guess, $25, let's see. Oh, it didn't work that time. Let's try one more time. All right, it's not showing up online, so let me try typing it in. So I'm not finding it anywhere, sadly. There's a bunch of Guess and 10 Marvels, but not this one. See, now you can see right here, the very similar box. It's a Family Feud game box style thing. Oh, well, this is just Family Feud, not game box, but dang, that sells for almost 60 bucks. Gotta keep an eye out for that. Alright, but we're still going to check down the rest of this, see if anything pops out to us. You know, this is kind of interesting. The Scrambled States of America game. This might be something. It's only 99 cents. Great deal. Let's try scanning this one in and see what happens. Alright, so I scanned it in, and here it is with a pretty good rank. Nobody on the listing, so it sells fast. There was one more listing right here, selling for $30 new in the office products category. So used, maybe 20 bucks or so. At $1, that's worth it. We'll stick it in the cart. You know, while nobody is in this aisle, let's go through the cart. Let's see what we got. We got some really cool things. I'll scan them in for you. Well, actually, this one I won't. This is a Puny Runes. It sells for about 20-25 bucks. I think I'll pop this one up on the screen for you. It is brand new, but there is a small rip, so I'll sell it as used. It's only $1.99. Not bad. Pretty happy there. We have a Ravensburger puzzle. I guess I can't really show this price either. Nobody is on the Amazon listing, but it's only $4.99, and when nobody's on the Amazon listing for puzzles, I usually just throw up a price of like $29.99 and usually get a sale, so that's pretty cool. What else do we have in here? Here we go. This is something we could scan in. This Twingled. I have no idea. I've never seen it before, but let's scan it. Let's see what it's going for. Barcode is scanned in, and there's nobody selling it new. This one's brand new. Used, it sells for $37.50, so 25 bucks after fees used. And they're asking $5.99, 6 bucks. So that is not bad at all. We also have a brand new Fortnite Monopoly, but again, plastic is ripped on it. At $5.99, I'll have to sell it as used. Let's scan it in, see what it's going for. All right, barcode is scanned in, and you can see brand new, it's going for about 30 bucks. Used, it's going for 23. It'll make 13 bucks. It's gonna cost me 6. I'll double up on it. I'll take it. All right, and we have 3 more toy game things in here and a little baggie of toys I found. I don't know, I just threw it in the cart. I might not get it because I have so many bags like this of toys. But let's scan this guy in. I don't think anybody was selling this new either. It's, oh, actually nobody's on this listing. It's some sort of painting set, but it had a good rank and it's only $4. I think I'll just throw it up for like 20-30 bucks. We'll see. Guys, this is a total bolo. Be on the lookout for this right here, Electronic Battleship. It sells super well. I've sold it a bunch. This one's used. Here it is scanned in. You guys want to keep an eye out for these. This artwork looks a little different, but it's the same item. Sells for 75 bucks used and $85 new. I've sold this a few times in the past, so it sells really well, sells pretty fast, and it's only $5. Total score. And oh, I grabbed some video games up front right when I walked in. We have some pretty cool ones here. They're all complete, which is nice. Uh-oh, I almost lost some. All right, so here they are. We have Wheel of Fortune for $4. I think it sells for about 15 or so complete. Avatar: The Last Airbender for $5. Same sort of thing, maybe a little less. We have Tiger Woods PGA Tour 14 complete for $4, but blue is 50% off, so only $2.50 or $2, and it is complete. It's nice. Sells for about 12 to 15 bucks. And then My Little Pony Season 5 Friendship of Magic, a DVD for $2. There's like 5 discs in here. I'll scan it in for you guys so you can see what I saw. All right, here we go. Scanned in, and it is selling brand new for $26, used for $25. I'm going to make 15 minus my 2. 13 bucks. Very nice. All right, let's see what else is up here on the shelves. Magic Mixies, is that new? No, that's used. Monopoly Star Wars, I don't think that's a good version of it. Here we go, we have something sealed over here. What is this? An I Spy treasure hunt game. It's kind of cool. Scan that in, see what we got. Oh no, not good. It sells for $7. You'd make $1.91. We'll leave that behind. All right, guys, we are on the other side of the board games, and this is surprising right here. It looks very unsuspecting. It is a friendship book and toy set. A bunch of little plush characters, and I don't even know, a little wheelchair book. I scanned in already, and this is only, what, $3? Yeah, $2.99. Take a look at this. So surprising. Here it is, $56. I'm gonna make about 36 on it. That is a definite score. We love to see it. All right, I'm walking down a random aisle here. Out of the corner of my eye, I saw this PlayStation 2 controller. It's a clear one. It's like a gray translucent kind of. The only issue, $10. Now, I don't know, maybe this color is going for a bit more, but there's none of the rubber on the thumbsticks there, so it's in rough shape. I'm definitely leaving it behind for $10. It's a shame. All right, just a little bit further down, I saw some PlayStation 4 controllers here. This one's cool for $10. Looks like a special edition Star Wars controller. Has Star Wars all over the little touchpad here, little emblem right there. I'm pretty sure this is a special edition one. We're gonna stick this in the cart, and let's see what this one is right here. This one's just a plain one. This one's also $10. It is in, I mean, it's definitely seen better days. It's in terrible shape. We're leaving that behind for sure. Here's a really bad, they're all $10 each. All $10 each. Seems high for controllers, but a special edition one? Maybe not. We'll see. Alright, so this is a shame. Right above the controllers, I'm looking. I do have to look this up. This is a Sony alarm clock. Some of these do really well, but I kept looking up, and boom. These Margaritaville On The Rock Bluetooth speakers sell really well. I already looked it up, so I can show you guys the price. Here it is, selling on Amazon, brand new for $65, used for $56. They are new, which is great. You'd make $43 after fees, but they are asking $35 each on them, so I have to leave them behind. All right, so back to this Sony alarm clock here. I typed it in, found it, brand new. It sells for $60. I don't know what it goes for used. $28. That's not bad at all. And here it is, $1.99. That is a great deal. $2 into $28 after fees. It's probably closer to $20. Still not bad. Looks to be in pretty decent shape. I'll clean it up. Why not? We'll take it. Oh, I still have to look up this controller here. I haven't looked it up yet. Alright, so I just looked up the controller on eBay, and here it is sorted at lowest prices. Cheapest one is $35, then $42, $42, $45. Yeah, we're gonna spend $10 on it. We'll take the risk. Hopefully it works great. Alright, where to look now? They cut my board games in like a third, so I gotta find new things to look at. You know what I haven't done in a long time? Scan CDs. We're gonna go check out the CDs. I have a good feeling that not a lot of people scan the CDs yet, because this place is actually, I wouldn't say dead. It's kind of busy, but not as busy as it normally is. And yeah, there's still a decent amount of CDs here. So, you know what I'll try to do? Let's see, how many CDs do you think are here? 100? Maybe a little less, a little more. I'm gonna scan them all. Let's see how many of them are worth it. Alright guys, so maybe this is why I don't scan CDs too much anymore. We're still early. We're not that far down. I did this section, and this section, and I'm just kind of rearranging them. So we'll see. I bet you there's really only like half here because of how many of these are half empty, but nothing. And these are all 99 cents, guys. Some are half off, some are 50 cents. And even at 50 cents to $1, there's not even $1 profit in any of these. So, you know, it's a small sample size. We're going to keep scanning. We're going to go all the way through, like I said, and hopefully we find a couple at least. How much profit do you think I could find in here? 10 bucks? 20 bucks? It's going to take me a good 20 minutes to probably scan through it all. So hopefully we can make at least 10 bucks. Let's do it. So I moved over to some books because there's somebody looking through the CDs. I got through half of them and I didn't find a single one. I will go back to them, but I wanted to give her some space because she wanted to look through them all, and I wasn't going to take up the space scanning them. It's no big deal to me. I don't know if I'm going to find anything there anyways. Looking around through the books, I'm not seeing anything too interesting here. I'm just kind of glancing really, and you never know, but it's not looking great. All right, I got them to myself again, so I already scanned through this section, nothing. We have like 4 or 5 more sections to go, so let's do it. All right, so I finished doing all the CDs, but more people were hanging out around the area, so I left, but I will show you guys everything that I scanned over there. Long story short, there was nothing. It was the biggest waste of time ever, but that's okay. This was the toys that I got from this little area. Let's see if I can squeeze them out. Oh my gosh. I need 2 hands. All right, here we go. This is that bag of toys. It's only $2.99, and it just looked kind of cool to me. There's some cool things in here. A bunch of like Imaginext figures, some, what is that, Space Jam figures. I don't know what else is in here. A bunch of old Hot Wheels and Matchbox cars. Funko Pop thing, maybe? No, I don't think. That might be like a McDonald's toy. I don't know. It just looked kind of cool at first with some of these cool action figures in here for only $2.99, but I'm putting it back on the shelf. I don't need to mess with this. It's heavy. There's a lot of toys in here for $3. Sure, there's money to be made in there, but we'll leave it for a kid to play with. No big deal. And I'm very happy with what I found here. It's a shame I couldn't find a single CD. I think somebody already scanned all the media, because DVDs, out of all the DVDs, I didn't scan them all, but I glanced over them. This was the only one worth it out of that entire huge shelf over there. So I think somebody came through, scanned everything, and that's all right. Anything else cool hidden here? Is that a Sandy Cheeks? That is Sandy Cheeks. Look at her. It's a really weird looking one. I've never seen one that looks like that. Yeah, we'll have to keep looking around, take another lap. I literally never find anything worth anything over here at these baggies. And while I was walking, these little guys caught my eye for $2.99. They're like metal, listen. And they're heavy. Now, they're not in the best shape. I see them having some, you know, some paint missing and stuff like that. But it's a bunch of superheroes. Marvel by Jada Toys. I mean, that's cool. Metal figures have to be worth something, even not in the best of condition. We're gonna look these up. I've never seen these before for $2.99. Stick them right here and take a look. So the streak continues of these baggies not being worth anything. These little metal figures right here that I thought were good, super heavy, $2.99, looked them up. Here is the set of 20 on eBay, brand new. $13.54. So yeah, plus shipping, but still, I guess they came in a big set like this, and yeah, this looks just like them. So yeah, I'm wrong. That's why you look everything up, because I mean, if I saw this at a tag sale or at, I don't know, just on the shelf at 99 cents, I'd grab it thinking I'm winning no matter what. But in this condition, it's just not worth it. Gotta put them back, but they are really cool. I just definitely don't need them. Here we go, came back over to the CDs to show you guys. I went through all of them. See all the empty spots I left behind. And yeah, not a single one of these was worth it. But right over here is where I put these. Somebody already went through them. I found some PC games. I Spy, School Days, Roly Poly Oly on the computer. Looks like fun. And sometimes I just really reminisce on these old kind of point and click, move around old PC games. I love them. And Lego Friends. Never seen that before, but look at all these old school games, really cool. And then there was all these Pokemon mangas right here, which are really neat. Something sticky stuck to me. There we go. Pokemon mangas for $2.99 each. Really cool looking. There's a mystery dungeon one here, and I already looked into them. They're not really worth anything, but they're cool. There's a whole bunch of different ones here. Really neat.